everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make these awesome pins. Let's get started. The things that you will need for this project is a writing utensil. I'm just using a pencil. You also need scissors, white or clear glue, markers. You could also use crayons or colored pencils, a hot glue gun, scrap cardboard, and a hard surface to work on. First, take your printing paper and draw out a design. Oh yeah, also the most important thing is you also need a safety pin. Once you have that done, an optional thing to do is outline it with a black permanent marker. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Also, when you're making your design, make sure the safety pin can fit over it completely. Mine cannot, so I'm going to redraw it. Once you're done with that, you can color it in with colored pencils. You can also do markers. Once you're done with that, outline it again with your marker. Now, cut this out. This does not have to be perfect, it just has to be where you can at least pick it up without any problem. Now take your scrap cardboard and cut out like a strip. Once you have a strip like this, take your glue and open up the cap, if you can, and glue on a dot. Or you could carefully get some glue out and just glue it on like that. Now taking your picture, put the picture onto your cardboard. Take your fingers and just make the glue cover the entire picture and on some of the rest of the cardboard, just to make sure that it's glued down securely. Now this can get a little bit messy, so make sure you have a towel around, like a paper towel. Now all you need to do is let the glue dry. Hi again, it's been about 1 hour and the glue is still a little bit sticky, but on the picture it's dry. So that means it's good to go. At this point, you should plug your hot glue gun in. Got it plugged in. That's my hot glue gun. Now you want to cut this shape out. If you wanted to, you could put on another layer of cardboard, and that's what I'm going to do for a little bit extra security. But I didn't do that on these pins. But they do get pretty hard, but they do bend a little bit. So I'm going to add on another layer of cardboard. How I'm going to do that is I'm just going to trace it onto my leftover cardboard. So just take it and put some glue right here. And you don't have to do a lot at all. You just have to do a little bit. Now glue the two pieces together. You might feel a little bit of warmth underneath your finger. That's from the hot glue. If you have any cardboard showing, cut that off. So take your hot glue gun and squirt a line of glue right there. Make sure not to burn yourself. Then stick your safety pin on top. So I'm just going to demonstrate on my pants because I have a jacket on right now and I just got out of the shower. That's why I look like this. That's why my hair is wet. So, and it's cold out. Jeez, it's cold. So my house is cold. So that's why I'm wearing a jacket. So here's the pin. There's a little string of hot glue. You take a piece of your clothes and slide this needle kind of thing through it. Make sure not to poke yourself when doing this. And then push it in, and then you'll feel it close into the clasp thing. So there's your finished pin. I'm going to give this to my friend, and it's going to be for her. So, and she requested a peace sign. So that's why I'm giving her a peace sign. So that's how you make this awesome little pin. And I'll see you guys next time. Please click the like button if you like this video. Have a super duper duper fun day.